Cutting-edge manufacturing companies are using digital twins to reduce the environmental impact of their products. In this series of short videos, A Priori is looking at the tools the top manufacturers are using to become sustainable. Subscribe to A Priori's channel to make sure you get the next video in the series. An estimated 80% of a product's environmental impact is determined by its early design. So it's important to get early feedback on a design's potential carbon footprint. Digital twins help design teams run what-if analysis to evaluate the impact of design changes on sustainability, cost, and manufacturability. Design simulation scenarios might include comparing alternative materials for carbon equivalent emissions and product weight, comparing alternative manufacturing processes on energy usage and waste produced, and comparing suppliers to see if components could be manufactured closer to assembly. A Priori helps design teams analyze their digital twins and run what-if analysis to produce more sustainable products. To learn more, visit apriori.com/sustainability. And don't forget to click on the link below to subscribe to get the next video in this series.